Hey guys, it's your girl Shamice and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to do these super cute and easy box braids by using the rubber band and crochet method. So what you will need 9 packs of braiding hair, a crochet needle, some edge control, some rubber bands, and some hair accessories. So let's get started. You're gonna start by parting off a big section of hair in the back of your head, big enough to fit about 10 box braids. So I see y'all looking like, oh no, I am not supposed to be here. That hair is too nappy for me. Well, I am a proud 4CBEFG girl, and I did not feel like blow drying my hair today, so the naps are out. Do not let my naps deter you from seeing this super easy method. So now what I'm doing here is parting off a smaller section above that already parted off section, big enough to make some small braids in between for my designs. So you're going to want to start by braiding that part to the middle and stopping. So just braid that part, just part that part into two and braid from one side to the middle and stop, and then the other side to the middle and stop. So as you can see that I have skipped some, all we have done is sectioned off some more hair and done some more designs, braiding to the middle and stopping on one side and braiding to the middle and stopping on the. Now we are here to our real X's. So now you're going to want to section off the side of your hair into 4 defined sections. I left an area under this 4 sections for like at least 1 box braid to fit under my X. So the easiest way to tell you guys how to braid down this X is break the hair into 4 sections: top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. You're gonna want to take that top right and braid diagonally down to the bottom left. You're going to want to take that top left and braid diagonally down over that braid that you just did, diagonally the other way, diagonally down to the bottom right. So top left, bottom right, top right, bottom left. And yes, I see y'all seeing her watching me twist my hair. My hair and my edges are in the growing stages. So instead of braiding it and forcing it in, she decided to twist. I am fine, let me live. So this is our finished product. As you can see, we have the X's done and my hair is ready to be parted for my box braids. So what you're gonna wanna do is take a section of your hair and gel it down. Place the rubber band on that gel down section. Make sure you rub in that gel, guys, because as you can see here, I have a whole cameraman and a whole mirror, but I still did not get the white around my edges. Just throw the whole cameraman away because I was not even informed. Okay, so you're gonna want to take a nice piece of hair. Don't cut it, just take it straight out the pack. Take your crochet needle, place it through under the rubber band and through the part. Place that piece of hair onto the crochet needle, close the crochet needle and pull through. Just like that. Hold one side of the hair through while you pull another side through, so you will have 2 sides. It'll be split in half. You'll have one on one side and one on the other. Tighten up that rubber band because that'll look like your part. That'll give you your nice parts. Split your hair, that hair that you just have now, into 3 pieces. That's what you're going to want to do. Split the hair into 3 pieces and start braiding. I'm going to wrap one of the pieces of hair around the rubber band because I do not want the rubber band showing at all. Even though this is the rubber band method, do not let your rubber band show, guys. Cover them. And braid that braid all the way down is what you're going to want to do. All the way down. So the braids touch my butt. So that's pretty long. So again, I'm showing you how to do it. Take a nice size section of hair. Mine is medium like. Place on the needle, close the needle, and pull through. Now you have 2 pieces of hair that you're going to split into 3 and just braid. Remember, keep that rubber band covered. You have people who want to be in your face nowadays. People who want to be in your head. Just know it's people out there. Cover that rubber band. But if you do have black hair and you're using black rubber bands, it won't be that noticeable. So I'm going to show you guys one more time how I did this super easy method. I'm down to my last braid, and here we go one more time. So you're going to take a medium-sized piece of hair, take your crochet needle open, place it under the rubber band and through the part. Place on that medium-sized piece of hair and close the latch. Pull it through and pull one side of the hair through while holding the other. So now you have two pieces. Tighten up your hair because that will make the part look defined. Break that hair into 3 pieces is what you're going to want to do now. And like I cannot stress enough, cover the rubber band. So I take my first piece and I automatically wrap it around my rubber band. Yes, and so what you're going to want to do is braid that just all the way down. I braid mine all the way down to my bottom because I like long braids, okay? So now you can see that we are done here. My hair is done and I'm placing it in boiling hot water to finish and seal the ends. And yes, y'all can see that I have added some hair accessories. My edges are done and these braids are done, honey. They are nice, medium size. I've added some accessories. As you can see, the X's in the middle from where we braided to the middle and stopped. I just placed them in an X position and added them to a box braid. Nothing hard. Yes, I had to slow it down for you guys. Look at those box braids. I had to get it together for you guys. So I have X's on both sides. As you can see, went from yes, honey, you better know it. Guys, that is it for my super easy rubber band and crochet method box braids. Remember, Wakanda forever. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment